Hi everyone, hope everyone's had a good week. So this is week 11 of Ekstra Accounting Solutions update. So what I've been up to this week? Well, on Monday I started into preparing management accounts for my clients. So I spent the day focusing on that. Then on Tuesday morning I went along to a networking event hosted by Women in Business on the topic of resilience. And we learned an interesting acronym called VUCA, which stands for Vision, Understanding, Clarity and Agility. Apparently all the things that you need to be resilient as a business owner. Then on Wednesday evening I went along to an event hosted by the Chartered Accountants of Ireland called Creativity is for Accountants Too. And that was all about understanding how accountants can actually be creative and innovative. So it was quite a fun networking event, and saw some old faces and met some new people as well, which was great. Then on Thursday morning, I had heard that in my local area, my council is launching a business growth mentor program. So I went along to find out about that. And it's really good to know that there's quite a lot of help out there. So I've signed up to get some support with SEO on my website. I think that would be useful for me in terms of marketing my business. And then today I'm really just finishing off the management accounts for my clients. I'm also working on a proposal for client number 6. Hopefully he'll sign up in the next week or two. So that's been my week. Hope you've had a good week too, and now we're going to see how Emmet's been getting on. So we're with Emmett again, and if you remember last week we were talking about reducing some of the time that Emmett spends in the business to work on the business as opposed to in the business, and to look at the roles of his staff, which we've been doing. So one of the suggestions that we've made is that he could, if he wanted to, outsource all of his accounting processes to somebody like ourselves. Or what he could do is implement some applications that will help to streamline the information in such a way that his admin staff are spending less time processing. The way we do this is we use a couple of different applications that are available. One would be Receipt Bank, which means in terms of expenses for his staff who are out on the road quite a bit, all they have to do is photograph the receipt, send it to an email, and it's uploaded automatically into our cloud accounting package. They don't have to keep the receipts, and it just makes it so much easier, and it's going along the lines of achieving a paperless office, which is one of the things I think that most business owners possibly don't think about, that in today's technology it is possible to load and scan everything into your email and upload it into a file, and then upload it into your accounting system. Similarly, we have another app called HubDoc, which means that all documents coming into the company can be scanned and uploaded. And again, this is a simple task that enables accurate information, but doesn't mean that someone has to spend time processing it. If it's loaded up into an email, then the likes of ourselves can actually process those transactions so that they form a set of accounts at the end of the month. So that's two things that they could do. The third thing then is to try and automate some of the routine type tasks that are happening. So for example, a lot of the invoicing can be controlled through the workflow system that Emmett has in the business, which is puts jobs together and can actually draft an invoice. And that invoice then, provided the system is integrated to the accounting system, which at the minute it's not, then if we can achieve that, it would mean that the invoices are generated at source and then uploaded into the accounting system as the last part of the exercise. So there's quite a number of things that can be done to reduce the number of manual tasks that Emmett and his staff are facing at the moment. So we're going to focus on a couple of those after Emmett's made a decision as to what he would like to achieve.